His tires are shot, but Dump Truck gives it all he's got. And soon there's nothing left to haul. He slows his engine to a crawl. He turns to go, but...
Why are you jumping?
He turns to go, but stops in awe.
Why are you jumping?
Because he sees... What does he see?
He sees a box.
The biggest box he ever saw.
The biggest box.
He blows his stack, his engine fires, vroom, vroom. It's a fresh new set of tires.
What a fresh new set of tires.
Because his tires are shot. They're old, remember? His back is sore, his tires are shot.
Tires?
So he got some brand new tires.
Yeah.
Midnight black with thick, tough tread.
I'm so happy because the dump truck and the excavator, the dump truck and the excavator, the dump truck and the excavator, the dump truck and the excavator and the bulldozer have a new thing.
Oh, and that's why you're so happy?
That's why I'm so happy.
Oh. Midnight black with thick, tough tread. He tucks the old ones in his bed.
He tucks the old ones in his bed.
Because he puts old stuff and he puts dirt and stuff in the back of his dump truck so he can throw it away at the dump. Merry Christmas, Dump Truck. Good night. With whipping winds and loads that sway, whoosh, Crane Truck's job is tough today.
Crane Truck's job is tough today.
Oh, because they're building the fire station.
Look at it's almost done.
Yeah, it's almost done. But he keeps working right along, bravely lifting, firm and strong. It's getting darker with each pass, but Crane Truck's work is done at last. The job's all finished. One last stop. Crane Truck puts a star on top.
Crane Truck puts a star on top.
Well, it's stuck because it's Christmas. But Crane has one last thing to lift. Someone's left a
special.
A
rocking ball.
A rock'em sock'em wrecking ball.
A rock'em sock'em.
It's red and green and
10 feet tall.
Merry Christmas, Crane Truck. Good night.
No.
Engines rev and bells ring out. Cling, cling.
They're almost here.
Yeah, sirens blare and air horns shout.
They're going fast.
Down the road and up the drive, a fleet of bright red trucks arrive.
A fleet of bright red trucks arrive.
Yeah, fleet of bright red trucks arrive.
Look, I see the chief car.
Oh, yeah. Driving proudly, looking fine, pumpers, ladders, all in line. Cars and rescue trucks join too, bright and shiny, rolling through. It's the town's new
fire.
On this nearly Christmas night, they find a new home built just right.
When they find a new home that's built just right.
Because the construction vehicles all built this fire station for them.
But this is dirt.
Yeah, there's dirt and there's snow. And with a joyful roll and spin, the fire trucks move right on in.
The fire trucks move right on in.
Yeah. Turn off ignition, settle down, and look out at the sleepy town.
How many trucks there are?
No.
There's one, two, three, four. Four.
What happened to this one?
That's not the truck, that's just the car.
That's a fire car?
Yeah.
Oh. But, well, how many beds are there? How many parking stations are there?
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
So but look it. The chief car's not here.
Oh, well, maybe he is. All grateful for this special day and helpful friends at work and play. For all that's given and received and all that's blessed this Christmas Eve.
This one is going in the back.
That's true. Oh, wait, no, this one is part of this one. And it's in here, so there's no one in this one. Because look. Shh, all the trucks are tucked in tight. Merry Christmas and good night.
See? The chief car's not here.
That's the chief car right there.
That's not it.
Yeah, he is. Look, he's shorter than everybody else. Look, he's over here. He's shorter than everybody else, right? It's this chief car. He sleeps right here.
But he doesn't have. But look.
Look, he even has a little nose right there. See that little siren nose? This one has a siren nose, and this one has a siren nose. There's two siren noses. This one has a siren nose, and this one has a siren nose. They're all here. Five fire engines, or fire vehicles, and 5 sleeping garages. I'm right.
But Daddy says that's wrong.
Did you? There's 5 fire vehicles, and there's 5 parking spots. They're all there. Look, there's the pumper truck, there's the ladder truck, there's the pumper truck, there's the ladder truck. He has a bell in the front just like this one. And then there's a big, like, kind of looks like an ambulance guy. He doesn't have a light on top, so this might be the ambulance guy. And then there's 2 back here with the sirens as noses. They're over here. They're all here.
But Daddy says that's wrong.
Oh, Daddy was wrong.
Daddy didn't see it.
Has Daddy ever read this book to you?
Yeah, but he didn't see it on one of the chief cars.
Oh. Are you sure you're not wrong?
But it was really far away, so I couldn't see it.
Okay, that's okay if you're wrong. Sometimes you don't see things, but I helped you see it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's okay. You were so happy that they all got presents. You know why they all got presents? Because the fire engines were saying thank you for building us a fire station.
And they gave them a present.
Okay.
Fire trucks all gave them a present.
Okay, let's go to bed now. It's very, very late, okay? Okay, turn off the light. Can you go turn off the light? Say good night.
I'm looking for the book that I ever saw, and I'm going to put it back.